your subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem on your Mac. So if you have problem, you have no access for opening this app. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, just go to Launchpad, just write terminal. So now you will see terminal, just tap on it. Now you just need to write this command so you can see it. Just write this command, and after just use space, and after you just need to choose from applications. Your application you also receive error when you try to open it. So for example battery health, and just move it here. So now you just need to tap enter, and just write your password. So after just tap on enter again. And now I hope that it will open. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.